Meet Chipolo, smart keyring that helps you find your items. Anything. Attach it to your keys, put it in your wallet, drop it in your purse, or stick it to your laptop. It's very simple to use. Finding things with Chipolo is easy. Ring your keys wherever they're hiding. Can't find your phone? Double press any of your Chipolos and your phone will ring, even if it's on silent. With a Last Place Seen feature in your Chipolo app, you can see where you lost your keys on a map. Or where you parked your car. And if your bike is not where you last had it, Chipolo can still help you find it. Just ask to be notified when your bike is found. When any user in the Chipolo community comes within range of your missing bike, the Chipolo app will notify you of its most recent location. Chipolo comes in 7 fun colors. Get Chipolo now and join the Chipolo community that looks after each other every day. Chipolo, nothing is lost.